Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn 12 commerce subject statistics. Chapter number 1, probability, exercise 1.1, question number 2. Write the sample space for the marks in integers scored by a student appearing for an examination of 100 marks and state the number of sample points in it. See, so here make a sample space for the marks in integers scored by a student appearing for an examination of 100 marks. See, keep in mind 100 marks and state the number of sample points. Okay, so start. Okay, we know that sample space is denoted by capital S or U, so we can write U is equals to C. Suppose we got 0 marks, 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, up to maximum you got 100 marks. Okay, yes or no? So 0 marks, 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks, up to maximum you got 100 marks, because examination of 100 marks is given. So we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100. Okay. Suppose we got 1.5 marks, yes or no? Yes or no? But we are not written 1.5 marks over here, because here given that we have to take marks is in an integers form. Okay, so our sample space is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100 only. Now state the number of sample points in it. So number of sample points, it means 0, 1, 2, 3 are known as sample points. So count it. See, forget it first. So 1, 2, 3 up to 100. So 100 plus 1. Therefore, number of sample points is equal to 101. Is it clear? Next, question number 3. Write the sample space for selecting one minister and one deputy minister from 4 persons. So first we have to suppose A, B, C, D are 4 persons. Okay, and we have to make a sample space for selecting one minister and one deputy minister. Okay, it means we have to make 2 at a time. Okay, see, so let us suppose A, B, C, D are 4 persons. Yes or no? Persons. So we get sample space of one minister and one deputy minister. So let us suppose first place of minister and second place of deputy minister. It means A is minister and B is deputy minister. Now second case, A into A and C. It means A is fixed. First A is fixed. Okay. So A minister and C is deputy minister. Same thing A D. A D. Now fixed B. Okay. Fixed B. So B C. Yes or no? B C. Then B fixed B D. B C B D. B C B D. Then C fixed. Then C fixed. So C D. So we get C, D. Now see, also we can write reverse form. Okay, suppose B is the minister and A is the deputy minister. Yes or no? So we can write reverse form. So we can write AD. So we can write BA, AC. So we can write CA, AD. We can write BA, BC means CD, BD means BD, and CD means DC. So next, question number 4. A balanced point is thrown in a random experiment till the first head is obtained. See, we are going to throw a point in a random experiment till the first head is obtained. The experiment is terminated with a trial of first head. It means no whenever we got the first head. Is it clear? Write the sample space of this experiment and state whether it is finite or infinite. Okay, so first we can write u is equals to, whenever we are going to toss a coin single time, so we get head. Suppose we get head or tail, yes or no? Suppose we get head, then stop. Okay, see, the experiment is terminated with a trial of first head. Stop. Again we have to toss. Suppose we got tail, so we are going to toss again, yes or no? Okay, we are going to throw on in a random experiment till the first head is obtained. So we are going to throw again, and we get head in second time, yes or no? Then stop. Again we are going to toss. So first we got 10, second time suppose we got 10. Again we are going to throw. Suppose in third time we get head. Yes or no? Same procedure we are going to write T H. It means we are going to head at the fourth toss. Yes or no? Suppose we are going to tail at fifth toss. Yes or no? Up to so on. Suppose some person are tossing a coin but didn't got head. Infinite T up to H. So this type of sample space is called infinite because it is not countable. Finite means countable. Suppose we are going to write a sample space of first 5 natural numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this type of sample space is called finite. It means countable. But this type of sample space is not countable. Therefore, it is infinite. Is it clear? Okay, next question number 5. Write the sample space for the randomly selecting 3 numbers from the first 5 natural numbers. Okay, we are going to select 3 numbers at a time from the first 5 natural numbers. So first 5 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first write down first 5 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we are going to select 3 numbers. Okay, so suppose first case is 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3. Then see, here 1 and 2 are fixed. Keep in mind 1 and 2 fixed. Then 1, 2, 3. Then write down 1, 2, 4. Second case is 1, 2, 4. Third case is 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 5. Is it clear? Now see, 1 fixed. 1 and 3 are fixed. Second case 1 and 3 are fixed. So 1, 3, 4. Okay, simply we are going to write right hand side number. Don't write left hand side number. Okay, so next case is 1, 3 is fixed, 1 and 3 are fixed. Okay, so 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Is it clear? Then 4 and 1 fixed. 1 and 4 are fixed. 1 as a first place, 4 as a second place. So 1, 4, 5. Only 1 numbers are present after 4. So is it clear? Now first one is over. All cases are over. Now second, we are going to select 2 as a first. So 2, 3 are fixed. 2 and 3 are fixed. Okay. Then we can add 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 5. Yes or no? 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5. Yes or no? 2, 3 fixed. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5. Then fixed 3, 4. Yes or no? Then fix 3, 4. Okay. Sorry, 2, 3. Okay. fix. Okay, next 2 4 fix. Sorry, 2 4 fix. So 2 4 fix. Then we can 2 4 5, and then last we get 3 4 5. So is the sample space for the randomly selecting 3 numbers from the first 5 natural